To wash your JuvaBun product, first remove any tangles with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Do not use a brush. Add about 1 tablespoon of mild shampoo into a basin of cool water. Put your JuvaBun product in and soak for about 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly in cool water. It's important to rinse well, otherwise the fibers may start to look dull. Dry by dabbing gently with a towel. Do not brush or comb while it's wet. For extra conditioning, use a leave-in conditioner spray. You can use a blow dry on the warm, not hot setting to dry your JuvaBun product. But for the best results, we recommend air drying.